This video will show you how to run the traditional long-term care product off the Genworth website. We've navigated to the correct website. We're going to choose our state. This will automatically give us the correct product choice, Privilege Choice Flex 3. We're going to navigate to the first screen, and in this case, this example, we're going to use a couple. We want to make sure we choose shared care coverage. That is one of the best features of the Genworth traditional product. I'm going to put in some generic information here. We can enter birth dates or ages. So we have a 65-year-old couple. At 65 and above, I would always choose Select as the underwriting category. If you get down to 60 or younger, you can always go Preferred. I would stay away from Preferred Best, just so that you don't set unreasonable expectations. The address information is not needed. We're going to click past any other screens that come up. We're going to tell it we want a custom quote. It does allow us to use favorites and store them. That is an option that you have. We're going to put in $3,000 a month. Because we have shared care benefits, it'll automatically fill in both people at the same time. We're going to choose 4 years of benefits. You want to always make sure that your elimination period is calendar. This gives your client the best options, and you can see you've got 30 days all the way up to a year. Inflation protection, we're going to use the 3% compound option. This gives us a benefit pool of $144,000 for each of the insureds and a shared care benefit of $288,000. We're going to leave the rest of the things defaulted so that it's 100% home care, 100% assisted living care, and first day home care elimination period. We would not choose non-forfeiture benefit. We're going to leave our option here on the payment mode as annual. When we hit the calculate button and scroll back, we'll see what the premium is for this particular case. We could go through and make modifications if we know that's out of line of what we're looking for. When we've got the right premium, we're going to hit the create illustration button. And in this case, we're going to actually hit it twice. Eventually, you'll get this screen that pops up. We're going to choose all pages so that we get the most complete illustration as possible. And we could save it or email it, but we're going to choose the print option, which allows us to review it on the screen, make sure that we've got everything that we were looking for in this illustration, and we also will then have the option to save that to our computer. So the things that I'm going to look for real quick to make sure I've gotten my illustration right is the names and spelling of the clients, the ages, underwriting classification, my benefit amounts, and the fact that we've got shared care. All that looks good. I'm going to go ahead and save that to the desktop.